Let's recap what you have learned in lesson number 3. We have learned the conjugation of the verb estar in the present of indicative. Yo estoy, tú estás, él está, ella está, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. We have also learned when to use the verb estar for physical locations. For example, estoy en casa. For state of mind, estamos interesados. We are interested. Temporary situations, está cansada. She's tired. And temporary results, la puerta está abierta. The door is open. We have also learned the uses of the verbs estar versus I. So when do we use one and the other, and with which words, the definite or the indefinite articles? Hay un niño en el parque. Hay unos niños en el parque. Your English, there is and there are. Or we would say, el niño está en el parque with the verb estar and your definite article if that was the case. Number 4, we've learned the Spanish indefinite articles. Un, una, unos, unas. We have learned a lot about the pronunciation of these letters in Spanish, C, Z, Q, and K, and a lot of examples and vocabulary about how to pronounce and practice the pronunciation of those sounds, as well as with tips and how the equivalent are in English, in the English language. In Spanish conversation, we have learned the basics and the basic questions that we need to ask to arrange a meeting with friends. ¿Dónde quedamos esta noche? Quedamos a las 7 en la puerta del cine. O vale, which is one of the expressions that we use in Spanish to agree on something. And in addition, you can also refer to your Easy Spanish Facebook to add even more expressions on how to, on this topic of arranging meeting with friends in Spanish. We have also learned part number 3 of word order. So that we can keep asking questions. So how do we use the interrogative, the verb, plus the subject, plus the complement, and as well as the intonation that we need to use to get an answer from the person that we are asking the question to?